Hi, welcome to The Shed. In this episode, we're going to talk about counts and circles. Counts and circles are a very important tool for the musician to help understand a rhythm and to play it correctly. I'm going to start with one measure of music in 4/4 time. The top number of the time signature tells the musician how many counts are on a measure. 4/4 time has 4 counts in each measure. That means that my notes and my rests all have to add up to 4. If you're writing in counts for a measure and you get more than the top number, you have done something incorrectly. So let me add up. 1, 1, half and a half is 1, which is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay, so I'm good. When you're writing in counts, you have to look at what subdivision is in the measure. I have eighth notes here. That means I have to use eighth note subdivision. Eighth note subdivision looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's what I'm going to use. It's going to help me stay in time. When you're writing in counts, each measure starts with beat 1. No matter what time signature you're in, you're always on beat 1. Beat 1. Okay. This is a quarter note. A quarter note receives 1 count of sound. So I'm good. I got 1, right? Wrong. 1 count of sound is 2 eighth note subdivisions. So you have to write 1 and the and of 1. It's a bad and. It's a better and. Okay. Since it receives sound, I'm going to circle it. A circle equals sound. Say that with me. A circle equals sound. Okay. Now I have a rest. This is a quarter rest. A quarter rest receives 1 count of silence. So it gets the same amount of eighth note subdivisions. It gets 2, except no circle. Because a circle equals, you got it. All right. Next one is an eighth note. An eighth note receives 1/8 subdivision, 1/2 of a count of sound. So I'm just going to write 3. I'm still going to circle it because it's a note. And a circle means sound. This is the and of beat 3. I'm going to circle that. Even though these are connected on top, doesn't mean that they're connected down here. A lot of people do that. 2 note heads, 2 separate circles. I have a quarter note on beat 4, 2 eighth note subdivisions, and a circle. When you're going to play this or clap this, you look left to right. When the circle starts, sound starts. It doesn't stop until the circle ends. So sound would start on beat 1, continue through the end of beat 1, stop on beat 2 and the end of beat 2, start again on 3, and again on 4, on the end of 3, and then play on 4, and then it wouldn't stop until after the end of 4. So here we go. When you go to clap a rhythm, get your foot going first. Put your feet on the beat. So this is the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then think the subdivision. And 2 and 3 and play it. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Counts and claps. Counts and circles.